Wagwan, welcome back to my channel 876 Recipes TV. In this video I'm going to show you how I made a nice seasoning blend using fresh herbs and using two types of peppers. Actually, they are the top peppers in Jamaica. This one is called the West Indian Red and the Scotch Bonnet pepper. The fresh herbs that I'm using are onion, garlic, two different types of hot peppers, the West Indian Red and the Scotch Bonnet pepper, scallion, thyme, and a piece of sweet pepper. So first thing first, I'm removing the stems from the peppers. So now I am cutting the onions. I am cutting the ingredients into large chunks because I'm going to put them into a food processor and pulse them. So I'm cutting the scallion and then the thyme and then the hot peppers and then a piece of sweet pepper and the garlic. All the ingredients have been washed. I'm putting all the ingredients into a food processor and then I'm gonna pulse them until it reaches to the consistency that I want, which is a bit chunky. This consistency is okay for me. So now I'm going to put the blended herbs into a glass container with an airtight cover. Gonna keep it into the fridge for up to 1 week. I don't normally keep it for more than a week because after a few days it starts to lose strength. And you can put it on, if you will be following this recipe, you can put it on anything: fish, chicken, pork, vegetables, even your rice and peas, in your stew peas, or whatever you are making. Thanks for watching. Walk good.